Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to add the L298N motor driver module in Proteus step by step. Step 1. Download the L298N library. The download link is right in the first comment below this video. Step 2. After downloading, go to your Proteus installation folder and copy the library files into the library directory. Step 3. Restart Proteus. Now open a new project, go to Pick Devices, and type L298N in the search bar. Step 4. Select the component, place it on your schematic, and you're ready to connect your DC motors and test your control circuits. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've added the L298N to Proteus and can start simulating your projects. Don't forget, the download link is in the first comment. If this tutorial helps, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick guides.